Hello and welcome. My name is Buhari Al Hassan. I am your facilitator for this session, brought to you by the Commonwealth of Learning. Today, we will explore how to effectively add and organize content in Moodle 4.5+. A well-structured course not only enhances student engagement, but also makes it easier to navigate and learn. In this video, we will cover creating and managing course sessions, adding various types of content, and organizing your material for maximum clarity and accessibility. Let's dive in. Creating and managing course sessions. Let's begin by organizing your course using sections. Sections are the backbone of your course structure, allowing you to group related content logically. These are the steps to create new sections. Ensure you're in edit mode by clicking the toggle up button at the top right and select Turn on Editing. Scroll to the bottom of your course page and click on Add Section button. You can rename the section by clicking the edit icon, a pencil next to the section name. Enter new name, and if needed, add a description for the clarity. Rearranging sections. To rearrange your sections, look for the move icon, a four-way arrow next to each section. Simply click and drag the section to your desired position, then release to drop it. Hiding or showing sections. If you want to hide a section temporarily, click the eye icon next to it. A closed eye means the section is hidden and not visible to students. An open eye means it is visible and accessible to students. Adding content to sections. Once you are in place and once your section is in place, it is time to add content. Moodle offers a variety of resources and activities to populate your course. Steps to add content. Within a section, click on Add an activity or resource. Select the type of content you want to add, such as file, e.g. documents or presentations, folders, pages, URLs, which is a link to external resources, assignments or quizzes, or forums. Fill in the required fields, such as the name and descriptions, then click on Save and return to the course, or Save and Display. Using labels. To enhance organization, you can use labels. Labels allow you to include headings, instructions, or multimedia within a section. Choose a label from the Add Activity or Resources menu. Use the text editor to format your content, including adding images or videos if needed. Click on Save and return to the course. Organizing content. Now that your content is loaded and is added to your section, let's organize it for clarity and ease of access. Steps to rearrange items. Look for the move icon next to an item. Click and drag the item to its desired position, then drop it. Indenting items. Use the move right icon to indent an item, grouping it under another for a cleaner structure. Use Move Left icon to outdent it if needed. To hide an individual item, click on eye icon next to it. Hiding items are only visible to teachers and administrators. You may be curious to know the best practice for content organization. Before we wrap up, here are some best practice for organizing your course content. Use consistent naming convention for section and items. For example, Week 1, Introduction to Physics. Keep section names concise yet descriptive. Use labels to provide context or instructions within sections. Group related content together within a section to avoid cluster. Number your sections or items for easy reference easily in a larger courses. Regular review and update your course to keep it relevant and accessible. And that's it. How you can add and organize content in Moodle 4.5 Plus. By effectively structuring your course, you can seamless and engaging learning experience for your students. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. I look forward to seeing your well-organized courses in Moodle. See you in the next session. Goodbye for now.